Are you looking for the best garden lights to brighten your property? In this video we will look at some of the best garden lights to brighten your property on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Shatterproof G40 Outdoor Lights. Shatterproof and waterproof. This G40 Globe Outdoor String Lights Shatterproof is also known as cafe lights or bistro lights. It built with weatherproof technology, which can withstand extreme temperatures, rain, wind, and damp climates. Durable for year-round outdoor use. Dimmable and lightweight, G40 Outdoor Lights String is compatible with dimmer to dimming the brightness and create a warm ambience to relax your mood. Made by flexible and durable wire, you can put this outdoor lights at anywhere. Long lifespan. This electric plug-in outdoor lights for patio save over 90% energy over incandescent bulbs, which save your electric bill. Patio lights outdoor waterproof with 25,000 hours long lifespan could reduce maintenance costs on changing traditional bulbs frequently. Number 2. Sphoon E12 Connectable LED String Light. IP44 Waterproof. These LED fairy lights are waterproof, so you can easily use them even in bad weather. You can place these fairy lights in your garden or anywhere outdoors. With these LED fairy lights, you can enjoy the rainy night with the beautiful light. Save electricity costs. LED fairy lights use high-quality LED lights instead of conventional tungsten bulbs. Each LED bulb consumes only 1 watt. The lumen is equivalent to a 7-watt tungsten bulb, which means more than 90% energy saving compared to traditional incandescent bulbs. Can save your electricity bill while maintaining brightness. Easy to install. Each G40 bulb has a clip on the side. They can be easily attached to trees, slatted fences or stair railings. Simply plug and play when you need multiple stands. Creates a fantastic atmosphere. Sphoon G40 fairy lights immerse any environment, whether indoors or outdoors, in a wonderfully yellowish shine and creates a special atmosphere. Attach the fairy lights to tent, awnings, parasols or patios or hang them in trees or bushes. The fairy lights are perfect for weddings, birthday parties and other celebrations. The lights are ideal for creating a cozy and festive atmosphere in the open air. Number 3. LED Solar Garden Light. Outdoor solar light for yard. Solar light for stairs. Intelligent light control sensor. Equipped with an intelligent light control sensor, these solar lights automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn. Waterproof design. Crafted with a waterproof build, these solar lights withstand all weather conditions, ensuring durability. Versatile application. Ideal for gardens, stairs, and streets. These solar lights enhance outdoor spaces with bright, energy-efficient lighting. Long-lasting battery with a 1.2 volts 800 mAh battery. These solar lights provide up to 6-8 hours of illumination on a full charge. Eco-friendly solar power. Harnessing solar power. These lights are an eco-friendly choice for outdoor lighting without relying on electricity. Number 4. 2/4 PCS Solar Light. These solar lights outdoor garden are made with high-quality ABS plastic materials with an IP65 waterproof rating. Garden lights solar-powered waterproof can withstand harsh weather conditions like rain, snow, and heat, ensuring they remain in good condition for an extended period. It transforms modern home ambience and spice up your outdoor life. Bright solar lights outdoor garden. Adopt large capacity rechargeable battery which brighter than ordinary solar lights and makes the solar garden lights can light up to 10-12 hours after fully charged. Work longer than other solar lights. Solar lights outdoor garden are powered by solar energy, which makes them cost-effective and environmentally friendly. The motion sensor outdoor lights is equipped with upgraded infrared digital motion sensor. You can choose the most suitable mode faster and more conveniently. Mode 1, turn on highlight for 20s when motion is detected. Turned off after people left. Mode 2, turn on highlight for 20s when motion is detected. Turned to dim light after people left. Mode 3, turn on the medium light at night. Number 5. LED solar string light. LED solar string light outdoor garland Christmas glow bulbs decoration camping garden party terrace fairy lamp solar. LED color, white, warm white. Material, ABS plastic. Model turn on, turn off, flash. Power type, solar power. Bulbs D:1020 bulbs/38 bulbs. Total length, 4.5 meters/7 meters/12 meters. The light will work of itself when the environment brightness is less than 30 lux.